Hello friends, welcome back to Remy's World. This is our media room where we have set it up the Sonos Arc for that surround sound, and this is the last one step that we performed, and it is true play tuning. The testing of all the speaker and the subwoofer and balancing. So finally we have set it up. This can be done only with iOS compatible devices, and this is basically done to analyze the shape of a room in order to have a best balance for the sound output. Here the arc is intended to bounce audio off the roof and walls of a room to create a 3D sound. Can you hear the surround sound? It's awesome. That cinematic feel you're getting in this room. Here we have paired Sonos Arc soundbars with Sonos subwoofer and a pair of 1SL speakers for deeper bass and true surround sound. So you're going to see the unboxing. So let's get started. This is a media room as you have seen in the first few minutes of the video. So we are so excited to enjoy this 3D sound from a sleek unit, and you can see this is the best soundbar for a bigger TVs, and that will include top specification which has all the high-end features for a theater like panoramic experience. So we are upgrading from the Visual soundbar to Sonos system today. The most important thing here is the packaging. Look how beautiful the package is. So look at the powerful and the most amazing thing that Sonos has come with. This is the sound bar, and the one below is the subwoofer. Look at the coolest design it has come with. And this is 1SL, the speakers, this is the pair. Look at it, how cool the box is. So let's get started now. We are going to unbox the Arc today, and here is the lock. We are going to unlock it. How cool is it? Wow! Look at the sound. Did you hear that sound? Awesome. So Sonos Arc comes with 11 Class C digital amplifiers that power 11 custom drivers. So it has 8 of elliptical woofers, 4 along the front, look at 2 on top and 1 on each end. Look at it, the Arc. The most exciting, yes, we are so excited to open this today.
The premium package.
It's a premium package. Look, it's a cloth. It's not any other material. It's a very nice cloth material. Look at it. So nice. Look at the material. Look at the package. We were looking for upgrading to a new home theater system, and finally we decided to go for this one. This is the power cable and HDMI cable that comes with the Arc, and we have a Vizio soundbar that we are upgrading from to Sonos soundbar, and here you can see how beautiful the white looks. White is really giving a good look to the room. Now let's unbox this up. So with 8 elliptical woofers, it has a microphone and that helps voice assistant. You can connect it with your Google Play or Amazon device. So basically this comes in 2 colors, that is black with matte finish or white with matte finish. The one we picked is white matte finish, and it's very sleek unit. This Arc weighs around 6.25 kg or around 13.78 lbs. So along with 8 elliptical woofers, it has other 3 speakers that are still doomed to eaters. Setting up Sonos Arc is simple, which involves just a couple of steps on the smartphone app and minimal cable connections required. Do share in the comments below how the white soundbar is looking. So here we are going to unbox the Sonos subwoofer. Wow, look at so cool. That's 16 kg. It's going to be 16 kg subwoofer. Wow, look at it. Guys, look at it. What an amazing subwoofer this is. Amazing. I've never seen such a system before. Wow. So here the subwoofer, it is white and it has a gloss finish and it weighs around 36 pounds, 16 kgs around. Look at the cool design it has, how beautiful it looks. It's really add a glamour to the room. So we paired Sonos Arc soundbar with Sonos Sub and a pair of 1SL speakers, which is going to give a deeper bass and a true surround sound. This comes with a power cable and there's a cloth they provided to clean it. So these are the speakers, 1SL speaker. So these speakers are wireless and we're going to put it on the back side just to have that cinematic surround system. So it comes with a manual. So this is how it looks. 1SL the speaker. We're going to open it. Look at it, friends, look at it. How cool this is. How cool this is. So this weighs around 4 lb. So we just put the power cable. So we place it here next to the lamp. That's a speaker number 1. So speaker number 2 is here. And the other one there. It's all set. Guys, if you're new to my channel, just smash that subscribe button. I'm coming with more new gadgets soon. So we get this extra optical cable adapter here. You can see the optical adapter. And you use it only if needed during the setup. So that's the HDMI cable, okay.
This option with a fiber modular also.
After the plugging, you are asked to download the app. Then you will need to follow a couple of prompts to connect to the TV and to the Wi-Fi. So this is the last step that we are doing, finally testing all the speakers. So we are setting this in iPhone right now. Here it's asking to play the play button. So here the speaker is well made. It has a great sound quality and very great looking. Amazon and Google devices can use this one as a Bluetooth speaker. It has its own radio-like stations if you can control it with an app. So that's Sub has deep bass. It's a worthy addition to almost any combination of Sonos speakers, and it is very easy to install. So the whole room is giving a very cinematic feel. The floors, the walls, the roofs, everything is giving that sound, that panoramic 3D sound, and it's very amazing. It looks like the sound is bouncing the audio off the roof and all the walls of rooms to create a 3D sound. It's giving a very panoramic theater-like feel. The sound is even we can feel the floor. Its floor, the furniture, everything is giving that much sound, and it's so good. The bounce that's coming from the sound, the cinematic feel, the sound, the music, each and every dialogue that is super clear.
It means a lot. Yeah, I'm sure it does.
The setup is simple and it's involved just a couple of steps on the smartphone app with a minimal cable connections that is required to set this whole system ready. And I hope this video is helpful for you to make a decision on your next purchase. Thanks for watching. Bye bye. Take care.